In the previous sections, we covered how to carry out most of the tasks that you'd usually do in a more private and more anonymous manner. So we covered how to privately and anonymously search for data using private search engines in the ClearNet and in the darknet. We covered how to anonymously and privately communicate using emails and using instant messages. We covered how to properly handle files and share files anonymously and privately. We covered encryption so you can improve whatever method of communication you're using. And we covered all of these topics as separate modules and separate topics so you can use them in different scenarios and different situations. So, for example, you might be just signing up to a forum and all you need is just a private email address, so you only use the information from that module. Therefore, all of these modules combined together right now should allow you to do pretty much anything you want to do on the internet or on the darknet in a more private and in a more anonymous manner. One thing that we haven't covered yet is transferring or receiving money or transferring or receiving funds. So again, on the internet, in many situations, you might want to send money to a friend or receive money, or you might want to buy something. And we're used to use our Visa cards or PayPal or different payment methods in order to transfer money and handle this. Now, just like anything else that we covered previously, using these traditional methods to transfer money is not anonymous and not private. Therefore, we'll need different methods if we want to protect our privacy and anonymity. You're probably already thinking now of using cryptocurrency, and that's correct. Some of the cryptocurrencies are actually very, very secure and very anonymous. So in this section, we're going to first of all talk about cryptocurrency, what it is and how it works. We're going to talk about Bitcoins, obviously, because it's the most common cryptocurrency. And then we're also going to talk about a more private cryptocurrency, which is Monero. So we're going to talk about how to properly obtain these cryptocurrencies anonymously and privately, how to handle them in a secure and private manner, and how to send and receive, so how to transfer these currencies, again, in a secure, private, and anonymous manner. So this information goes as another module, again, that you can plug into different situations and different scenarios in case you needed to transfer money to a friend or to another person in an anonymous manner, or if you wanted to pay for something, if you wanted to buy something anonymously and privately, or if you're simply just buying from a website that only accepts cryptocurrency.